Jessica, why do you have a new backpack?
Do you like it?
Yes, but are you going back to school?
Me? No.
Then why do you have notebooks, pens, and a backpack?
My cousin is starting school again next week.
Ah, so you're helping her get ready.
Exactly. We went back to school shopping today.
And you bought all of this?
Maybe I got a little excited.
A little?
Okay, very excited.
You know, this reminds me of my school days.
Did you like going back to school?
Actually, yes. I loved getting new school supplies.
Me too.
What did you like buying the most?
New notebooks.
Not the backpack?
The backpack was important, but I loved opening a new notebook for the first time.
A completely empty page.
Exactly. It felt like a fresh start.
What did you buy today?
2 notebooks, some pens, pencils, an eraser, and a pencil case.
Anything else?
A water bottle,
Good idea.
and this backpack.
It looks very nice.
Kekemu likes it too.
How do you know?
He tried to put his toy inside it.
Maybe he wants to go to school too.
He would probably eat his homework. We bought notebooks, pens, and a new backpack. Do you remember your first day back at school?
Very clearly.
Were you excited?
Excited and a little nervous.
Same.
The night before school, I always checked my bag 3 times.
3 times?
I didn't want to forget anything.
I prepared everything before bed.
Your clothes too?
Yes, my clothes, my bag, my shoes.
Very organized.
Only on the first day.
Huh, that sounds more believable.
I think the first day is always special.
Why?
New teachers, new classes, maybe new classmates.
And sometimes a new classroom.
Yes, everything feels a little different. The first day can be exciting and a little scary.
What was your school morning like?
Busy.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7.
That's not too bad.
It felt very early to me.
What did you do first?
I got dressed, brushed my teeth, and ate breakfast.
Did you eat a big breakfast?
No, usually something simple.
Toast, fruit, maybe some milk?
And how did you get to school?
I took the bus.
How long did it take?
About 20 minutes.
I walked to school.
Really?
Yes, my school was close to my house.
Lucky you.
Unless it was raining.
Good point.
What time did your classes start?
At 8:30.
Mine started at 8. I took the bus to school every morning. Okay, important question. What was your favorite subject?
History.
History?
Yes, I loved learning about the past.
That actually sounds like you.
What does that mean?
You like knowing why things happened.
That is true. What about you?
English and art.
Two favorites.
I can have two.
Okay.
I liked English because I wanted to understand people from other countries.
And art?
Art was relaxing. I loved drawing.
Was there a subject you didn't like?
Math.
That was fast.
I didn't even need to think about it.
I actually liked math.
Mark!
What?
I thought I knew you.
Sorry to disappoint you.
My favorite subjects were English and art.
You know what I really miss about school?
What?
Seeing my friends every day.
Me too.
We saw each other in class, at lunch, after school.
Lunch break was always fun.
What did you usually do?
Eat quickly and talk a lot.
Mostly talk.
Mostly talk.
Did you have a big group of friends?
No, I had 3 or 4 close friends.
That's nice.
We helped each other with homework too.
Really?
Well, sometimes we helped each other.
And sometimes?
We talked and forgot about the homework.
That sounds more realistic.
Did you ever make a new friend on the first day?
Yes, one of my best friends sat next to me in class.
That's how many friendships start.
Just one simple question.
Like what?
Hi, what's your name?
Sometimes that's all you need. There is one thing I do not miss about school.
Let me guess.
Homework.
I knew it.
Some days I had so much homework.
When did you usually do it?
After dinner.
Not right after school?
No, I needed a break first.
What did you do after school?
I went home, had a snack, and relaxed for a little while.
Then homework?
Unfortunately.
You really did not like homework.
Did anyone?
Sometimes I studied with friends.
Was that helpful?
Sometimes.
And sometimes you talked and forgot about the homework?
Exactly.
So we were not very different.
Not at all.
After school, I went home and did my homework.
Do you think going back to school is exciting or stressful?
Both.
Both.
Yes, you can be excited to see your friends and nervous about new classes.
That's true.
A new school year feels like a new beginning.
New teachers,
New books,
new classmates.
new things to learn.
What would you say to someone who feels nervous about the first day?
I would say, you don't have to know everything on the first day.
I like that.
Just take it one day at a time.
And maybe say hello to the person sitting next to you.
Exactly.
Let's slow down and practice a few useful school sentences.
I need a notebook and a pen. My classes start at 8:30. My favorite subject was English. I took the bus to school. I did my homework after dinner.
And one useful question. What was your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject was art. Now it's your turn. Answer with simple English.
What was your favorite subject at school?
You can say, my favorite subject was English.
How did you go to school?
I took the bus.
What did you like about school?
I liked seeing my friends.
And one last question. Did you like homework?
You can say, "No, I didn't."
I think that will be a popular answer. So, Jessica, are you sure that backpack is for your cousin?
Of course.
And the notebooks?
For my cousin.
The colorful pens?
For my cousin.
And this notebook with your name on it? Jessica?
Okay, that one is mine.
I knew it.
Back-to-school shopping is fun at any age.
Before we go, tell us about your school days.
What was your favorite subject at school?
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
Keep practicing your English a little every day.
See you in the next conversation.
Bye!